Hi, so welcome to DCA. I hope you had good CDS exam today. So in this session we'll be talking about how exactly was GS paper. We'll be looking over some of the general questions like how was this paper compared to CDS 1 2019 the last year, as well as we'll try to compare with CDS 2 2019. What should be an ideal attempt? Again I repeat, so this should be an average student. Considering as an average student, we will discuss what should have been an ideal attempt, right? And which sectional students had an advantage. Let's suppose we are going to discuss whether the science student has an advantage or the humanities students had the advantage. Will it make an impact in the overall score? So these three factors, apart from that, which section was, you can say, moderate or easy comparatively, and which section could have been scored too easily. So these are the various points which we will be discussing in this short video, right? I'm not going to reveal, you can say that we cannot predict the exact cutoff overall, because for that we have to analyze complete English as well as GS, right? So एक उन बच्चों के लिए जो GS के पेपर दे के निकले हैं, for that I have not mentioned paper as the tough one because it was not tough, right? So you can say that some of the questions were really very tough. Of course, that's true, but we are talking about the complete paper. So as a whole, as an entity, this paper was moderate, right? If you compare this with CDS 1 2019, exactly 1 year back, right? So this was easier than CDS 1 2019. That's true, right? Now, how was it in comparison to CDS 2 2019? So some of the GS questions were really very challenging, especially if you look over the concepts, or you can say the question asked based on the Economic Survey of India, development reports. Now this kind of questions are quite inquisitive in nature, and which is very difficult to answer unless and until you might have prepared for at least an iota of preparation for the prelims, right? Because in civil services exam, Economic Survey document has a huge importance. Now there were around 7 questions which were repeated. 7 questions were repeated, that is from the UPSC exam. If you look over the type of question like oligopolistic economy, monopolistic economy, this was asked in CDS 1 2019 as well, right? 3 questions were from the NDA previous year geography question paper, so which were actually easy, and I hope majority of the students might have done it earlier as well. Few questions of geography, it's this year in 2020 there has been a trend that number of physical geography questions are less in number, whether it is in civil service or maybe in NDA एग्जाम. इस साल जो भी एग्जाम हुए यूपीएससी के, उसमें फिजिकल का वेटेज थोड़ा कम रहा. दिस इज अ पैटर्न, यू कैन सी दैट. बट वट एवर हैड बीन द फिजिकल पोर्शन, 50% or 60% had been quite easy, which an average student could have done easily, right? बहुत ज़्यादा उसके लिए पढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी. और जिन्होंने थोड़ा बहुत कर रखा है फिजिकल ज्योग्राफी, आपने एनसीईआरटी फॉलो किया है, तो शायद आप 80% तक जा सकते थे, right? So the first, it was tougher. It was easier than CDS 1 2019 overall. Average GS attempt. So before this, let's have a look over this. If we talk about polity, there was around 18 questions from the polity section, right? I'm not including the current affairs in this. History, there was 22 questions. It was large in number actually. This was surprising. Current affairs, overall it was 19. They have asked question from June, they have asked question for August, they have asked question from, in fact, January as well, right? But the number of question ranging from, you can say that March to August had been more. No question 10 September onwards, koi question nahi tha. Now, so general science, that was 30. This is the number which actually raises the cutoff. Now, out of this, out of the 18 polity question, 6 were quite straightforward, and you can say if you have prepared for it. Now, if you have done Indian polity, maybe through Lakshmikant or any of the book which you follow, all are well. So 6 were easy. That means easy in the sense that could have been doable within the exam pressure situation. So let's suppose you are an average candidate, 6 correct. Out of history, there were again 5 to 6 questions. This is 5 to 6, which could have been done ideally, right? Current affairs, if you have done it exhaustively, let's suppose now it's very difficult to say that you might have done the yellow turtle question from Orissa. Now this kind of question are actually part and parcel of the civil services, where environment is covered. But in CDS, generally these questions are not asked. or you might have, there's a question related to the little boy and the fat man. All right, this is surprise package actually. And third one, you can say that the question related to the theme, right, the International Youth Day wala. तो अगर आपने exhaustive किया होगा, so I feel that a moderate student could have done 10 to 12 correct out of this, right? अगर आपने अच्छे से किया है, you could have easily crossed 12 plus, right? Like the tennis, but जो US Wimbledon वाला जो winner है आपका, वो general science. There were 30 questions and this was the easiest section actually. This was easiest, right? And that could have been taken if you give this paper to any class 10 student who is right now in class 10 for the science section. Out of this 30, he will be able to do at least 22 plus correct, because straightforward NCERT questions were asked, right, from the boxes of NCERT, from the examples of NCERT, right? जैसे silver Ag silver sulfide blackish color हो जाता है, राइट, एंड लेड ऑक्साइड वाला क्वेश्चन ले लो या फिर ब्रोमीन वाला ले लो, लिक्विड वाला. तो ऑल द क्वेश्चन मोर और लेस वर फ्रॉम द एनसीईआरटी बॉक्सेस, जो कि ऑफ कोर्स इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. वी एवरी कोचिंग एक्चुअली सेज दिस कि एनसीईआरटी इज इंपॉर्टेंट, और वो आपने किया भी होगा होपफुली, राइट. सो इफ यू गो बाय दिस लॉजिक, right, and the last one I have not written, that is miscellaneous मतलब economic survey, static economics like type of the NCERT based question, which I am assuming that absolutely maybe it was tough for the common crowd, right? So it may be 3 to 4 correct from this section, which was tough. If you have done, you could have done well, right? So approximately 12 24, and this is 36. So ideally you can say that you could have done, if you add it up, around 37 to 41 correct, right? Now this is average. I am not saying that below average, and you could have कुछ question आपके साइड hit and trial में भी सही हो सकते हैं. So you have to keep this plus minus 5% accuracy. Even the resistors also have the plus minus 5% the fluctuation. So even if you have done, let's suppose a candidate has done, now in UPSC exams, you know that the accuracy ratio is at the max 80%. If you attempt 10 questions, ideally out of 100 candidates, 99 will be doing 8 correct, 2 wrong, right? So considering that 80% accuracy ratio, you can say that an average candidate could have attempted. So your attempt might be around 60 to 63 approximately from our side. It could have been better. वो आप क्या होगा, आप बहुत अच्छे होंगे पढ़ने में, तो आप कर सकते हैं, right? And the ideal score, which I feel that it should have been anywhere that means between, you can say that 33 to 38, right? इसमें हो सकता है fluctuations होंगी, वो डिपेंड करता है कि आर यू अ साइंस स्टूडेंट, यू कुड हैव डन मोर. इफ यू हैव डन करंट अफेयर एग्जॉस्टिवली, यू कुड हैव रीच्ड 17 or 16. And if you are humanities, maybe the polity, if your polity is strong, if you are a civil service student, तो शायद आपने polity में कुछ ज्यादा किया होगा, right? I am talking about एकदम एवरेज, जिसको जो लक्ष्मीकांत पूरा नहीं किया है. अगर आपने लक्ष्मीकांत किया है तो शायद आप अच्छा कर सकते थे, 338 वगैरह आप आराम से कर सकते थे, right? So overall the average GS attempts should have been 62, let's suppose 63, right? And you can say that average GS score, anything above 34 is good enough, right? Is good enough actually. And sectional advantage, that means which stream student has the advantage. Of course science, if you have covered 9th-10th science, everything was from the 9th-10th NCERT book. So इस वाले सेक्शन में साइंस वाले बच्चों को एडवांटेज थी, राइट? हो सकता है आपने बायो ना किया हो बाई चांस, अगर आपने एनसीईआरटी पूरी ना पढ़ी हो, बट एनीवेज द फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री क्वेश्चंस वर टू स्टैटिक and it stands nowhere in comparison to the CDS 1 2019. So at any cost you have to score 30 32 plus, right? And whatever is the English score, you can add it up. So this is all, you can say that at a brief insight. When you come out of the exam hall, you just want to know, okay, what should be an ideal score. So anywhere if you have scored around 31 32 plus, you have not done bad, it's good actually. And you can hope for the definitely in the merit list of the written exam, of course, right? Assuming that your English score is more than 63 64 plus, because out of 120 in English, as majority of the students claim that they have attempted around 98 to 100 plus questions easily. That means the correct जो question होंगे 80 plus होंगे, so ultimately it's going to be 64 plus in the English section. right? So this is a brief detail how exactly was the GS paper. Easy. And there are some, you know, awkward questions as well, the different kind of question that, you know, how many wheels the Land Rover Pragyan had. Now this kind of question could have been done by luck as well. If you have followed that, maybe you had done correct, but it was difficult, you can say that indirectly. The kind of question they are going to ask this time, like the case of Shakuntala Devi, Vidya Balan, this kind of questions, surprisingly, which you may have gone through the advertisements coming on Amazon Prime or something. आपने शायद देखा हो तो आप सही कर सकते थे, right? So that's all. We'll be coming up with the cutoff video regarding that maths, English and overall in few duration. Thank you. All the best.